And the nice thing about Mimic is that let's select the head and we'll go to the animation palette window. If we scroll up and take a look at the keyframes that Mimic has created, you'll notice that the only keyframes that are affected are the keyframes that are important to the speech itself. So we have keyframes for the brows and for the smile and the lips and the mouth and the tongue and the various phonemes that we use, but none of the other parameters are really affected. I mean, we have the twist and the bend parameters affected, but if you wanted to change any of the other parameters, you can do that without ruining the Mimic. And another way to say that is that Mimic does not overwrite any of the other parameters that you have set for your character. So it's a very efficient way to add speech. Now let's try adding speech in another way. Let's go to the animation palette. We're going to delete all of these keyframes.